Well, we're gonna try this again because my sound's been messed up all morning. It's 10:15 a.m. October 9th, and Taco Storm Jerry is still struggling from northwesterly shear, strong shear, and has 55 knot winds, 15.6 north, 58.5 west. Um, we can take a look at it. That's a exposed LSC moving northwestward, and that's just the way it is. Most of the winds are on the northeastern side, so probably the islands don't get tropical storm force, but then it will turn northward and out to sea. Probably or favorable conditions, most likely. And models do forecast it becoming a hurricane in the next 48 hours, probably 65 to 70 knots. Yeah, that's what we got on Jerry. Now we got something very interesting. 96L, 43.4 north, 34.6 west. That's 45 knot winds, but it definitely looked like a borderline hurricane. Look at that. Close eye. It's moving on a move northeastward, then turn northward. Could reach hurricane. The ANC should upgrade it, but they're not because obviously they're overly conservative. Next, we're gonna look at Priscilla, which is spinning down, has 40 knot winds, shouldn't even make landfall as a tropical cycle, maybe a few showers. Here's a little bit of convection, but eh, probably going to make landfall in about 24 hours. Yeah, here's the track, moving north-southwest at night, 8 miles per hour, 45-mile-per-hour winds. Should be weakening before it makes the Baja. Believe me, I've tried this a couple times so far, and hopefully this one goes right. 17 has 30 knot winds off Mexico. Should move west-northwestward for that the next 40 hours, and northward into the Baja. Maybe some tropical storm force winds from Mexico. Move west-northwest at 14 miles per hour. Yeah, here's the ball thinking for the track. Yeah, the GFS should peak at about 24 hours or 45 knots. Then we can. God, I hope this one goes right because I ain't making another one tonight. That's an IR Jerry. Here's the model thinking. Longer term, we have to watch the Cape Verde for another system coming off. Maybe a depression week tropical storm. We also watch the Caribbean in about 6-7 days. Um, yeah. But hey, fingers crossed on this video. That's what's left of Octave. Priscilla, a borderline hurricane, which JC is refusing to upgrade. They're literally trying to fill us full of shit. I mean, tell her there's 10%. There's 8. There's 11 a.m. I think standard time advisory with 55 knots. Pretty much it heads northwest and northwest for the next day, north of the islands, then turns northward, and then I expect to get up to 75 knots by 72 hours. Yeah, here's the Eastern Pacific, our two systems. Atlantic. Well, fingers crossed on this one.